Hello, our wonderful viewers. Welcome back to our community. The Damascus Massa joining our community. So, first of all, I want to say a big shout out to Halftone Photography and Videography. Why you be our studios. When it comes to studios management, directing, videography, photography, Halftone is the best. Kumasi for the moment in Halftone, or the best. Intimo pay anything about videography, be a Halftone. Non contacting. Okay, back to the issue. Mpacho, when I said Alpha Yankopon, the chair, and no beautiful, handsome guest be a woman chair. And also, now dream with dog, or a baboon organ, and I dream with dog, or an artist, na and then you have a can be a creative skill, any formal education. Is creative skill better than formal education, or is formal education better than creative skill? Meaning, say, wow, feeling so, also better, why she would treat the other canobeti. They also be yet in so over the comment section. I said, well, like I subscribe it. Now I share my only on so baby, don't sweat me at TV without wasting my time. May introduce me guest, no, Amamo. Now, me the money me dada say from a top boy stanner. Okay, top boy stanner, I bet it's pow, 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 pow. I bet you also to be, I know you also be without wasting my time. No. Oh, boss, Ralphie, boss, my boss that too. And before you
Understand.
see a friend Lucas, but I'm a friend Brack of you come day one. Onye nipa minimum nipa ya san achepa nti me day one ti me friend Brack of you. But the other one dey me look at the artist. Ti there be
Straight.
a obi
Straight.
hono.
Straight.
Madaroma. Bra, akwaba.
Aye.
Welcome. Okay.
So if you have a call.
Yeah, for
Street
university days me movie.
street is also boko.
Street ni ya so shit. Street ni enti me boka say so shit. Street ni na BBF but street ni so na ye benye scan here ignore street ati ase. So when it comes to the street there and person omo manye scan ni na omo free street na omanye omo ni na omo dwane free street na omo sambra street mabuo street na street ni ka bebe. I really love street here me the because street made me. Ati ase all those I'm educated, I've been through school and some other stuff near there. They have the experience of school, but I know say people are also skills, some more the capabilities or they are more that bold, that enthusiasm somebody humanity. When they come to the street, the creativity and all the meeting but actually, street is free and the street give you all the freedom you want, you understand?